Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make two images same size using Foxit PDF Editor. As this image size and this image size are now different. I'll make these two images same size. Select Edit option. Now select Edit Object and selected Images. Now click on this first on image and press Ctrl key from your keyboard and hold it and click second image. And two of this now selected. Now click right button and here you will find a size option. You can make same size width and height and make it both. As is the both image size now same. And second also again same two images size. Say this one and I'll make this image this size. Click first image and select right button and select properties option and select general option. This image size I will do 4. I'll make it 4 and 3. Close. Also I'll make this one for this option 4 and 3. Now set close and see this. These two images now same size. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.